So PlanetWatch have announced that you can now finally stake your Planet tokens to earn extra Planet token rewards. This is a much asked for feature, so many people are pleased that they've done this. But before you start staking your PlanetWatch tokens, there are a few dangers that you need to be aware of as well. So in this video, I'll show you how it all works, how much you can earn by staking your Planet tokens, and give you a step-by-step tutorial if you want to do this yourself. So let's get started with how it all works. So to stake Planet tokens, you first need to provide liquidity on Tinyman. Tinyman is a decentralized exchange where people can go to swap Planet tokens for Algorand or other cryptocurrencies. Now, here is where the danger lies in staking Planet tokens. Because you need to provide liquidity in order to be eligible to stake your Planet tokens, there is a few dangers. One of those dangers being impermanent loss. So what is impermanent loss? It's basically when the two tokens you add to the liquidity pool decrease in value. So let's say, for example, you provide liquidity to Tinyman by giving them both Algo and Planet tokens so that people can exchange them on Tinyman. Now, if one of those tokens goes up and another one of those tokens goes down, you could experience some losses. Or if one token goes up and the other token stays the same, again, you could also experience some losses. And if one token goes down and the other stays the same, you could again experience losses. So if you're providing liquidity in a pool, and this works for any pool, not just the PlanetWatch and Algorand pool, in order to provide liquidity and stay profitable, you need both tokens or both cryptocurrencies that you're providing liquidity for to either stay more or less the same or to increase in price over time. Now, because right now most crypto has crashed, and I think in the long term, the price for both Algorand and PlanetWatch tokens will go up, I think this is probably a good time to provide liquidity because the tokens are likely to go up in the long term. However, that's just my personal opinion, and it's definitely not financial advice. I want to be clear that there is definitely a risk that one or both tokens do go down. So you'll need to manage that risk and decide for yourself what is best for you. Another risk about providing liquidity is that you are giving your crypto to another exchange, and exchanges can sometimes get hacked. In fact, this is exactly what happened to Tinyman only a few months ago. So again, that's another risk for you to be aware of. Now, with the risks in mind, let's talk about some of the potential rewards, and let's go through how much you can actually earn if you were to decide to do this. So there are two ways that you can earn. First, you can earn through the liquidity pool. So every time Planet tokens are exchanged into Algorand or vice versa through Tinyman, Tinyman charges a small fee, and this fee is paid out to those who provide liquidity. Now, how much exactly you earn from this liquidity pool, I'm not sure, as it depends on how many transactions there are. But I'll be keeping an eye on this and update you again on any earnings in a month or so. But just as a heads up, I don't think it will be a substantial amount. Now, the second way that you can earn, which is also most likely going to be the more profitable way that you can earn, is through staking. And this is the new thing that PlanetWatch have recently introduced. So currently, if you provide liquidity to Tinyman, PlanetWatch consider the Planet tokens you use to do this as staked, and they will reward you with a 37% APY. Now, as staking rewards go, 37% is actually quite decent. There are many other cryptocurrencies that provide a lot less than that when you're staking them, and obviously there are a few that provide even higher amounts than that, but obviously the higher their amount, the more risky the cryptocurrency tends to be. So I'd say 37% is a pretty decent amount. Now, to put that in perspective, if you were to stake $1,000 worth of Planet tokens, you would earn $370 in 1 year. However, that doesn't include any compounding interest. So rather than cashing out your staking rewards, if you were to stake them again and compound the amount of Planet tokens that you're staking, you would be able to earn even more in a year. And obviously, the more you stake, the more you can earn. Now, as a side note, remember that all of the income that you earn from PlanetWatch, including the staking rewards, needs to be tracked and reported for tax purposes. So you can either track everything manually in Excel, or you can do it the easy way, which is what I do, and use Coinly to connect your Algorand wallet, and they will automatically import all of your transactions for you. And they can even help you file the taxes once you've imported everything and classified them as either mining or staking income. So if you're interested in checking Coinly out, I recommend that you use the link in the description of this video, which is my referral link. And that way you can get a free trial and you can check it out and see what you think before you buy it. And you can use all of the features for free, and you don't have to pay anything unless you actually want to use the software to help you file your taxes. And finally, just keep in mind that the software works worldwide. It will help you stay compliant with all the relevant tax laws. And of course, it will make your life a lot easier, which is why I personally use it as well. And just to be clear, this video is not sponsored by Coinly. It's just a really good tool that I use. So I'm also recommending it to others who want to make sure that they are compliant with all of their taxes. So with that out of the way, let's go through how to stake your PlanetWatch Planet tokens. So the first step is to go to app.tinyman.org and connect to your wallet. In my case, I use the MyAlgo wallet since that is the same wallet I use for buying the PlanetWatch licenses. So once you click on the wallet that you want to use, for example, the MyAlgo wallet, you can enter your password and connect your wallet to it. And then follow any other instructions that you might need to do, in your case, to connect your wallet to the website. After it's connected, on the top right of the screen, you will see your wallet address and how many Algo tokens you currently have in your wallet. Now, keep in mind that to stake Planet tokens, you will need at least 100 Algo tokens in your wallet. So if you don't yet have 100 Algo tokens in your wallet, you will need to add that, or maybe add more than that if you want to stake even more PlanetWatch Planet tokens. Now, once you've connected your wallet, the next step is to make sure you're on the analytics page in Tinyman and then search for planets. And then click on Add Liquidity for the planets/Algo pool. The next step is to enter how many Planet tokens you want to stake. And remember, how many Planet tokens you stake depends on how many Algo tokens you have. So if you want to stake more Planet tokens, you will also need to add more Algo to your wallet. So in this example, I'll do the minimum, which is 100 Algo tokens, which, as you can see, allows me to stake 605 Planet tokens. And if this is the first time that you're providing liquidity on Tinyman, you also need to click on the opt-in button. And once you've opted in, you can then click on Add Liquidity. Then click on Confirm, and you'll probably need to enter your password again on your wallet and just wait a bit for the connection to finish. And then once it's complete, you've now successfully provided liquidity on Tinyman. And as a side note, you can also remove your Planet tokens and Algo tokens from the liquidity pool at any time. So now that you're providing liquidity on Tinyman, you are now qualified to earn staking rewards on Algostake. So if you go to app.algostake.org, and I'll include links in the description to all of these websites in case you want to make sure you're going to the official ones. And then once you're on that website, click on Connect Wallet. And then again, I'm going to use the same wallet as I did before, which was the MyAlgo wallet. And then the next step is to search for planets. Click on the planets and Algo staking pool, and then you'll be taken to a page where you can see this on your qualified stakes section. And then all you need to do is click on stake and follow any verification instructions that you might get. And then once it's complete, it will then appear in the My Claims section on Algostake. And whenever you have rewards to claim, usually it will be each day, you can then click on the claim button. And that's it. You've now staked your Planet tokens. So if you're planning on holding onto your Planet tokens for the long term, then staking your Planet tokens could be a good way to earn some extra rewards in the meantime. And remember, the success of this project really just depends on whether PlanetWatch can sell a large quantity of their air quality data, because if they do that, they can then continue to pay everyone maximum rewards for much longer. And also you can get bonus rewards if your PlanetWatch sensor was involved in the air quality data sale. So if you're wondering if PlanetWatch have already sold any air quality data, then I highly recommend that you watch this video right here, because it will give you some interesting information on where PlanetWatch is right now when it comes to selling air quality data. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.